Hey guys, it's Mrs. Lemaine. Welcome back for another mini phonics lesson and more. All right, we are working on skill 11, which is long vowel silent E multisyllabic words. Those are just words with more than one syllable, the big ones. Okay, we are specifically looking for the pattern vowel consonant E, and this is how we show it with our hands. Remember, you do not hear the E, and this guy says his name, A. Okay, now let's go ahead and get started. Okay, let's look at our sentence. It says, Sue is annoying, but Henry can only blank his little sister because his mom makes him. Okay, some of you might be able to relate. So we have this word. It has a long vowel silent E syllable pattern within it. We don't know what it is. We don't know what it means. Let's go ahead and you will need a whiteboard, marker, and eraser. Go. Pause the video if you need to. Okay, I'm going to spell this word. I'm going to have you write it on your board. Okay? Your word is P-L-O-T-L-E-R-A-T-E. Okay? Make sure that your word is spelled correctly. Then I would like you to, first of all, see if you can figure out what it is before you break it apart. Okay, I'm going to give you just a few seconds. Pause the video. Now I'm going to have you mark your vowels, divide your word. Go for it. Okay, should look something like this. Okay, now let's see if you were correct in dividing your word by yourself first, because remember, when you get to a piece of text, you're not always going to just whip out a whiteboard and see if you can break it apart and divide your word and all that jazz. You're going to want to eventually be able to do it in your head. Okay, so let's look and see if you're correct. Okay, our first syllable is closed, plot. Now, we actually haven't talked about this one yet, but I trusted that most of you 7th and 8th graders know that ER, it's actually shown like this. It's R controlled, makes the sound. So L plus the sound makes lur. So we have plot, lur. And then we have a vowel consonant E. There's our syllable pattern. This says A, 8. Whole word, plot, lur, 8. Plotlerate. Okay, so now that we know what our word is, let's see if we can figure out what it means. First of all, did you get your word correct before you broke it apart? If so, silent dance, because you're awesome. Okay, let's go look at our word within our sentence now. Sue is annoying, but Henry can only plotlerate his little sister because his mom makes him. Okay, I would like you to write one word, a synonym for plotlerate, on your board. Pause the video, go for it. Okay. Now, I actually got plotlerate from the word tolerate, which is actually a real word, which means to put up with. So some of you might only put up with your little siblings because your mom makes you. Okay, so plotlerate would mean tolerate or to put up with. Silent dance if you got it correct, because you're awesome. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, I have a fluency practice this week that I really wish I could hear all of you say because I think it would crack me up. Okay, I have a lot of thoughts within this paragraph, okay? And you'll notice that there are different colors. The green means your voice goes up, the blue means your voice goes down. I really want to work on making your voice go up and down when you read, which I know is rough for middle school students because it will help you understand it. And I'll show you what I mean. If I read it all even toned, this is what it would sound like. I thought a thought, but it wasn't the thought I thought. If the thought I thought had been the thought I wouldn't have thought so much. Ooh, that sounds awful. Okay, and it's really hard to understand. Believe it or not, it actually helps with your comprehension if you can change the tone of your voice. Okay, so when it's green, your voice goes up. When it's blue, your voice goes down. I'm going to show you what it's supposed to sound like. I thought a thought, but it wasn't the thought I thought. If the thought I thought had been the thought I wouldn't have thought so much. Okay, so that should help you a lot more as far as understanding what it means and having thought go from a verb to a noun. Okay, that really helps you out. I would like you to read this 2 times to somebody sitting next to you. They're going to read it 2 times to you. Okay, and I really want you to enunciate your voice going up and your voice going down. Okay, 2 times each. Go for it. All right, we have our vocab root, which is chron. Tick, 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 chron means time. Tick, 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 chron means time. Okay, we have 6 words: chronic, chronicle, synchrony, chronology, asynchronous, chronological. I would like you to read these 6 words to somebody next to you. They're going to read those 6 words to you. Go for it. And last but not least, I'm looking to give out more prizes, guys. Okay, so make sure that you fill out a slip of paper, put it in my box, and you'll be entered for a drawing every 2 weeks. Have a super fantastic day, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.